Throwing a football can be very challenging, and there are many techniques that people use to throw. Catching a football could also bring on some difficulties. Just look at Brad over there trying to throw the ball. As you can see, he's having trouble with it. First off, he does not have his feet planted correctly, and then also his hands are not in the position to be throwing dimes. Today we will cover how to catch the football correctly and properly throw the ball. Now let's start with fixing his feet. So Brad, you're going to want to have your feet shoulder width apart with your left foot closest to the receiving point at them. Next, we are going to get the proper hand placement to prepare to throw the ball. Good, now look at your hand. You are going to want to have your pinky on the fourth lace, your middle finger on the first lace, and your pointer finger will be off all the laces. Now since you are right-handed, step toward the intended target with your left foot, then use your left arm to aim and step back and throw. Now that you have that down, let's take a look at catching the football. Put both hands out in front of you and make a diamond shape. Once it reaches your hands, pull the ball back into your chest. Also make sure the ball is secure when you catch it to ensure that you have full coverage of the ball. Also, remember that catching and throwing does not come naturally, so make sure you are practicing to get down them perfect spirals and those flashy catches. Thanks for watching.